Enough, I seen a coyote coming in hard.
Hard charger in the Jarshua trees.
Yeah.
That was pretty bad.
Yeah, well, let's go see where that coyote's at. Is he right next to the call?
Yeah, he's right next to the call.
RGF Production.
Alright, it's 5 a.m. Jared should be on his way over right now. There he is.
Hi, Jarshi.
You guys are on time. So, you guys ready to go kill some shit?
Yeah, are we gonna film all day, or are we gonna go
I guess
right
we
to
should
the
go.
gas station?
I got sandwiches.
Drink and snack.
Yeah.
So what's Brad's method to having a good morning for hunting? Jerky, huh?
No, I'm just looking for a good snack today.
5 hour Knots Rock Monster Bowl.
I don't know, we're going out to some area we haven't hunted before, but from Google Earth, the terrain looks awesome. Oh, you went on girth? Went on girth, and you can get down real low and see how tall the sagebrush is, so that's a good thing. It looks super flat, so.
That's the badger. And that's Brad.
And I seen the coyote coming. He was a hard charger, came all the way into the call, and I shot him.
Hard charger.
Maybe 20 yards. And then I looked over, and this guy he was coming at me. Looked like he wanted to eat me or something. Dude. Pretty crazy. Look at the claws, man.
Hold him up.
Dude, well, first you said Jared, and I looked out there and I'm like, dude, that is a furred up freaking coyote. And I'm like, that's not a coyote.
I didn't want to shoot him. Like, I wanted to wait for a coyote because I had a feeling something was going to come in. And sure enough, I seen a coyote coming in hard.
Hard charger in the Jarshua trees.
Yeah.
That was pretty bad.
Yeah, well, let's go see where that coyote's at. Is he right next to the call?
Yeah, he's right next to the call.
Let's see him. Ah! He stinks, dude.
Does he?
Yeah.
I can't tell. He's a hard charger.
Well, you said it, Jared.
4 steps from the call. It's probably about, maybe not even 20 yards from where I was.
For your life.
So right after I shot the coyote, the badger, he got a wild hair and tried to come charge me. literally thought he was gonna get me. He was like, I don't know, probably 10 yards away, running straight at me. So I gave him a warning shot right next to him, and he kept coming. So I stood up, and he was still coming straight at me. So I shot him at like 4 yards.
If that.
He was hungry, I guess. He wanted to get me.
You shot his buddy Wiley. I would be mad too.
So it turned into a double pretty quick there. Kind of an unexpected double. But he wanted some, so I gave it to him.
Please like and share our videos. We appreciate it. Thank you.
A lot of people that hunt coyotes and hunt coyotes well know when a coyote boogers out of somewhere, if you just give him a little bit of time and wait till he kind of gains his composure again, to try to stop him seems to work out a lot better than trying to bark at him when he's on his full run, because he's not going to stop on a full run to look back. But once he starts slowing down to a trot and you woof, a lot of times you can get him to stop and take that little bit longer shot. But luckily for us, he got out there and stopped, and I put a good shot on him. So yeah,
It's awesome, man. Good job.
thanks.
Called in a variety of critters today. Called in a couple coyotes, a fox, a bobcat, a badger.
The badger that almost ate Brad's face.
Yeah.
Yeah, that fox was really dumb. It came up and around all of us, didn't even smell us. It just circled the call. It was 5 feet from all of us, and then he took off. The shotgun dog that Brad had this morning was pretty bad. Full-on running kill. It came running into the call, and Brad put him down. We're a little focused on the badger eating his face off. We handled that a little later. Jared's dog, which we called in, I think a total of 3 or 4. We're not really sure yet. I'll have to look at the footage. But had an opportunity there, and Jared, really patient, made it happen. Jared,
yeah, I whiffed on one at probably 150. I don't know what happened. Or coyote, I guess.
all right, guys. Well, anyway, be sure you like and subscribe. We're going to be having some t-shirts out here soon, and
Some hats.
hats, stickers, and dog drags. So hit us up if you guys are interested. And yeah,
Thanks for watching.
ace.
Well, see you later.